friends, it's Digital D again. And this week, with your class, you've done lesson 23 from our book. This is the last lesson dealing with teen numbers, those numbers that come between 10 and 20. Let's review some of the stuff you did with your teacher this week. In lesson 23, we're still working with our teen numbers. So we've been doing that for a few weeks now. And so we know our teen numbers are those numbers that are bigger than 10, but less than 20. So if we're counting our numbers, they're more than 10, but less than 20. So it's a group of 10 and a group of ones. And so today we're going to work on making teen numbers. And this is some stuff you did with your teacher this week, is you made teen numbers. So again, we've done this before. Let's look at that first cube train, that group of blue cubes. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have a group of 10 blue cubes. And if we look, all three of our pictures here have 10 blue cubes. So we can go ahead and fill in. The number 10 is going to be part of our number in all of these pictures. All right? But we know teen numbers means we have a group of 10 and then some ones. So let's count our yellow ones. So we have 10 up here. How many yellow ones do we have? We have 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to write down the number 3 in my part whole model. I have 10 and 3 ones. What number does that make? What teen number is 10 and 3 ones? Well, let's count it. So we have a group of 10. Let's count on. What comes after 10? 11, 12, and then 13. So 10 and 3 ones makes the teen number 13. All right, so we have 13 in our part whole model. Again, and let's look at this second picture. We have 10. We already know. We filled that in. How many yellow cubes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 yellow cubes. What teen number does that make? If we have 10 and 4, I want you to yell out what teen number that is. I heard some of you. So 10 and 4 makes it 14. All right, we hear that 4. We say it 4 and 14. So we had a group of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 10 and 4 make 14. We've got one more picture to look at. So we have a group of 10. How many yellow cubes do we have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if I have a group of 10 and then 7 ones and I put them together, what teen number is 10 and 7? Everybody say it. 17. Everybody say it again. One more time. 17. So we have 17. 10 and 7 more makes 17. Let's look at it in our 10 frames. We looked at it with our cubes, and let's look at it with our 10 frame. How many blue dots do we have if our 10 frame is filled in? That's right. If it's all the way filled in, that means that there are 10. All right, let's count and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 blue chips. We have our 10 frame completely filled in. How many red chips do we have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 on this row, and then one more makes 6. So we have the numbers 10 and 6. What teen number does that make? We put them together, we get the number 16. So let's practice counting again. We know we have 10 at the top, so we're going to start with 10 and we're going to count on 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There we see that number 16. Let's look down here. Do we have another set of 10 blue chips? We do. Our 10 frame with blue chips is all filled in. So we know that there are 10 blue. Let's count the red. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we have 4 red chips. So what teen number does that make when we put together 10 and 4? Let's count and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have 14 chips all together. 10 and 4 make 14. Great work, friends. You did an awesome job looking at those 10 frames and then having those extra ones to make teen numbers. We're looking at those cube trains. We use those part whole models to think about that group of 10 and those ones that come together to make teen numbers. You've done a lot of work with teen numbers over the last 3 weeks. We're going to continue to use teen numbers as we continue to go on with counting and adding and subtracting and working with numbers. Great job. Keep it up. And until I see you again, don't forget, keep counting.